Pete. I'm CTO and co-founder of Recognize. We do employee recognition and rewards for the enterprise, and I've been working on it since 2012. And just in the spirit of recognition, I want to give a shout out to Arena for organizing the conference and all the conference organizers. It's great to see the Ruby community come together. So thank you. All right, so before I tell you about Recognize, a little bit about myself. I was the founder of Tech for Progress, a tech consultancy that helped nonprofits use technology to further their mission. I also co-wrote the Ruby workshop and have been on Ruby on Rails since around 2004. And I do open source contributions from time to time. Most recently, published Railsmail, which is a dependency-less Rails engine for capturing development emails right into your database. It's kind of like Mailcatcher meets Solid Queue. So a little bit about our origin story. This was, the slides are not going, slides aren't moving forward either. They're not moving forward on the. There we go. All right, so my journey to Recognize, so as I was mentioning, before Recognize, I founded Tech for Progress, which helped nonprofits utilize technology to help further their mission. I'm also the co-author of the Ruby workshop and using Ruby since 2004. And as I was saying, most recently published Railsmail, which helps, which captures development emails right into your database. So a little bit about our origin story. So this was the crazy idea. My co-founder Alex came to me one day and said, what if we could make a business telling people how awesome they are? Pretty crazy idea, and we didn't know that we could turn it into a business, but we started in 2012. And took about a year to get our first customer, and after 3 years, we were able to go full-time, and we've just been self-funded and bootstrapped the whole time, so no funding. So let's see here. This is still not moving forward. There we go. First commit in 2012. And today we are doing over 3 million in ARR. We have over 200 customers. We just launched our largest customer that has 80,000 employees. And today we've shared over 3.5 million moments of positivity. We do about 60,000 monthly active users, and we're a team of about 20. We're also in 30 countries and translated into 20 languages. So why do we exist? This is an aspirational billboard. One day when we make it big, maybe we'll get this billboard. But what's the point? What's the point of Recognize? What's the point of going to work? So we exist to help employees connect to their company's mission. Most employees don't know their company's values, they don't know their company's mission, or at least they don't connect to them. So that's why we exist, to help work have a point. So this is our product, a high-level overview of our product. These are all the high-level modules that we have. We have all the bells and whistles of a standard employee recognition program. But we believe in intrinsic motivation, so things like autonomy, mastery, and the purpose that you get from being connected to your company's mission and values. So we also are a weird company where we don't actually want you spending a lot of time in our product. We want you to send that recognition out and then get back to work. So we believe in 2 clicks to recognition. So we've focused heavily in deep integrations into the most common work tools like Microsoft Teams and Slack. And as I mentioned, values are the cornerstone of our product, so they're always front and center. All recognitions have to have a value attached to them. And a lot of moments go unnoticed. Maybe there's a thank you, pat on the back, or a thank you in a DM or in a Slack channel. But now those moments can get captured and published to the whole company, where now everybody can see them and celebrate them. So this is a feature that we have. It's kind of like a new take on the Employee of the Month wall that you may see in a break room somewhere. But we have a new take where it allows companies to celebrate people for all sorts of different reasons across time periods, badges, teams, whatever it may be. And as you get recognized, you can earn points. We have standard reward options, but we wanted to go further. So we offer live events, swag, and experiences. So as you're getting recognized for those good work, you can get tickets to a concert or go fly a helicopter. So we also support custom rewards. This is one of my favorite. This is actually a real customer's catalog. So the banana suit. This is pretty much my favorite reward where if you get enough points and you redeem the banana suit reward, you get to pick which executive has to come to work wearing a banana suit. So that's pretty awesome. So let's get a bit technical. We've been doing this for a decade. So we started on Rails 3.2 and come all the way to Rails 7.1 now. Started deploying with Capistrano. Now we're on auto-scaled on AWS. And you can see we're coming up on our 53,000th commit. We've got a test suite, almost 13,000 tests, which I'm proud to say we can get done in about 10 minutes, parallelizing them. And so building a product for the enterprise requires a lot of different components and modules. So I'm just going to focus on one of those, something I call the async pub subsystem. So first we start with the problem. As I mentioned, we just launched a customer that has 80,000 users. So we have to consume all of that user data, and we have to provision those users, and we have to create all the model relationships along with that, and we have to do it performantly. So this is what happens when you have 10 years of active record callbacks building up in your code base. When you provision those 80,000 users, you might start with good throughput, but then you can see it falls on its face pretty quickly. So how do you handle those callbacks? Callbacks are important. You do validations, you provision those additional model relationships. So we built this async pub subsystem, which basically fires a single event that additional modules can listen to, all asynchronously and all in parallel. And what's neat about this is that we can basically provision complex user organizations and hierarchies from basic attributes. So this is the throughput of our async pub subsystem. We do 250 to, at peak, 500,000 jobs per day. And so where are we headed? So we believe that managers are where the rubber meets the road in an organization. It's consistently cited that employees leave organizations because of a bad manager. So we really want to provide tools to managers to help them get a holistic view of their employee and to bubble those moments of positivity up to the manager so that that can be considered, say, at a company party or during their performance review. So there's going to be a new AI insights feature that we're building right now. And so if anybody's an engineering manager who's looking for ways to engage their employees, I'd love to speak with you. Thank you.